All right, so here we go. All right, so we're gonna do the righty-tighty. It is just a reverse of the lefty-loosey. So the righty-tighty is you're gonna start off left and then go around right time. So we did a bunch of left-handed U-turns. Now we're gonna do right-handed U-turns. So go ahead and hop back on the bike. And I want you to, yeah, there you go, pull in the brakes because we're in neutral. You can do the side stand up now. Okay, now that we're good. So left hand, you're gonna reach down to the key and turn it towards you. There it is. So we did use the engine shut-off switch to shut it off, or the electric shut-off switch. So you're gonna wanna push that down. Okay, so now it kind of restarts everything. And before you take off, we're in neutral. There's the engine actual start. So there it is. So with this design, once again, you're gonna go left around all of them, come in, and it's gonna be shorter and shorter. Do you want me to run with you, or do you think you can?
I think I can do it.
Okay, so here you go. So go ahead and go through the cones right there, turn left right away. And if you do want to give it a little throttle, test it out, but it's up to you. There you go. So nice and wide around these. And then you're going to go in between these cones right here. And then remember, this last one's the tough one, so use all the space you need. Very good. And then go right through the cones and then stop at those last ones. Handlebar straight, apply the brakes. Very good. 38 seconds. Much better. So go ahead and do a U-turn and then come right back around. And you're gonna come in right here. All right, so my goal with you is that we do at least 3 to 5 of these. But since you kind of looks like you know how to ride and you're getting used to the friction zone, just keep doing them and you're naturally gonna get better at it. So just go ahead and do the design, go through it, stop, do a U-turn, go through it, stop, do a U-turn. Just do it 3 times. So it's all on you. Once again, if anything happens, straighten the handlebars, squeeze the clutch and the front brake, and look straight. If you want to make things tighter and closer and a little bit easier, try your best to turn the handlebars more. Look where you want to go. Almost put this part right here on your shoulder. And if you feel like you're going to fall in, like you said earlier, counterweighting, you're going to put a little bit more weight on the outside. Okay? So go ahead and just have fun, go through it, and do the design. Very good. Much quicker on that one. So now look, there you go. Look, 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 turn, turn, turn. Way better. And then get ready to apply the brakes. Very good. Now do a U-turn. 33 seconds, 5 seconds faster. Very good. And if you want to, just go ahead and go right through. Very good. Your turns will be a lot easier and sharper if you really look towards the next spot. Really good. There you go. and then apply the brakes. And then go ahead and do one more U-turn, and then do this design one more time. 32 seconds, that was 1 second faster. You can go right through, go ahead. There you go, play with the throttle, get used to it. You got room. There you go. That's fine. Go ahead and do a U-turn and then stop right here. And then I want to see you turn off the engine and then get off the bike. There you go. So we're going to put our feet down. We're going to go ahead and shift it into neutral. Very good. And then side stand down. And then, yeah, you can turn the key off if you want. Okay. So this one, you did a lot faster. I mean, 33 seconds. The first time we did the righty-tighty, I'm sorry, lefty-loosey, it was like 3 minutes. Then it went down to 40, and 32, 33 seconds. It's a lot better. What do you think helped you make it quicker?
Looking at my next target and playing with that throttle a little bit.
Okay, so definitely looking at the target. I saw that your handlebars were turned more this time. Yeah. So your turns were a lot sharper. So yeah, you're getting a lot faster. So I'm gonna hop on the bike and I'm really going to exaggerate the handlebar turn, the head look, and then I'm gonna counterweight a lot of it. So that's a little bit more than what we've really done. I'm gonna give it a little more throttle. I'm not gonna use a lot of the friction zone. So these are like the next steps. And then if you wanna try it on the next design, that'd be cool. So I'm gonna look forward, I'm gonna go through. So I was really looking and then kind of trusting the bike, kind of leaning it in, but then giving it a little bit more of that counterweight and looking. So you do barrel racing, so it's like as soon as you pass that cone, you don't want to go wide, right? You just want to cut it. So in order to cut it, the horse is leaning, you're leaning with it, and you're looking where the next barrel is. So with this one, it's kind of the same thing. Once you pass that cone, you just go for the next one, then you go for the next one. It's going to take some time. But the main things here is looking where you want to go, turning in, a little bit of your butt on the other side, a little bit of weight and counterweight. And then sometimes speed is good. They'll stabilize you. So we're going to do what's called the two-pole run next. It's a little different. I'll show you what that is. And then it's going to be a little more difficult. Okay. But it's going to be fun. So I'm going to turn the bike around and then we're going to reset everything.